Hey there everyone, it's Electric Hustler here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the wireless mic I got from Temu. Let's get right into it. There we go. And then here's what it is. Wireless microphone. So, clear, timbre, high sensitive, wireless compatible, plug and play, 20 meters of reception, precise audio. If you look on the back of it, much of the same thing. Type C is what I got. So let's get right into it. Now of course this is how the audio sounds without it. Just a regular microphone. Oh, well, it sure is packaged well. And now of course I'll link to what I bought in the description. So you guys, if you want to buy it, you can. This one cost me like 15 bucks. So this is what it looks like. Now I am going to try it in a minute. So just hold up. I'm going to go ahead and get, I think this is a charger. I probably need a charger because I got one already anyways, but yeah. Man, that's a little short little cord. I hate when they include those. You guys see what that is? How you can use that? It's so little. Alright, you guys. So let's put all that aside, and I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna do a mic sound test with and without. Hey there everyone, it's Electric Hustler here, and so this is a mic test, and this is being recorded from the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So this is what the mic sounds like. Testing 1 2 3. Of course, with you can hear it depending on like the audio and whatnot, noise reduction and all that type of stuff. But alright guys, so this is what it sounds like without the wireless mic connected, and then I'm gonna test it with the mic. Hey there everyone, it's Electric Hustler here, and now this is a wireless mic. Now I'm gonna grab this for you guys, but this is the case, and right now I got what I'm charging. I was testing it a little bit earlier, but yeah, the mic's right here, and I'm gonna show you guys. So it's basically magnetic, but it's pretty much, because this is a sound test. So testing 1 2 3. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next one. You guys let me know which one sounds better. Alright you guys, it's gonna be my wireless mic that I'll be using for my DoorDash shifts, Uber Eats shifts, stuff like that. That way I can post more content for you guys. Hey there everyone, it's Electric Hustler here, and this is when I double tap on the wireless mic for the reverberation, whatever that word is. So yeah, this is a sound test for that, so you guys let me know. But alright you guys, and I'm going to show you something too. So while I have this on here, so this is basically the manual for you guys, and let me open this up. You guys can read that if you want, pause it, go from there. What I was showing you guys with the reverberation is right there. So if I were on, long press the button, power button, power off, long press it for 2 seconds. Noise reduction is basically always on. Mute, basically put the power button, mute it. The reverberation, to put the power button, which is what I did, so this is what it's going to sound like. And yeah, alright guys, then let me show you everything else. You guys can pause it and look at it if you want, and read it. guys, that's this is the sound test, right, guys? Don't forget, grind, hustle, earn, repeat. All right, see you next one. Peace.